Good day everyone. Let's try to answer some problem posted on Facebook. And special credits to Master Tilak Raj Kausal for sharing this wonderful question. So let's start. Here's the question. Solve for the value of x. So we have the equation 3 raised to x plus 1 half plus 2 raised to 2x minus 1 equals 4 raised to x plus 1 half minus 3 raised to x minus 1 half. Now, if you want to try this problem, just pause this video, and if you're ready, here's the solution. Now, here's the equation. First thing to do is to take a look at this number, 4 raised to x plus 1 half. So we can replace 4 by 2 raised to 2. And then, we need to apply this law of exponent. If we have b raised to n raised to the power of m, it is equal to b raised to n multiplied by m. So we need to multiply 2x plus 1 half. So it will become 2 multiplied by x should be 2x, and then 2 multiplied by 1 half will give us 1. So our equation now becomes 3 raised to x plus 1 half plus 2 raised to 2x minus 1 equals 2 raised to 2x plus 1 minus 3 raised to x minus 1 half. Next, what we're going to do is to move this term 3 raised to x minus 1 half to the left hand side, and we need to move 2 raised to 2x minus 1 on the right hand side. So we have 3 raised to x plus 1 half plus 3 raised to x minus 1 half equals to 2 raised to 2x plus 1 minus 2 raised to 2x minus 1. Now at this point, we will use another law of exponent, and if we have b raised to m plus or minus n, it is equal to b raised to m multiplied by b raised to plus or minus n. If we apply this law, our equation now becomes 3 raised to x multiplied by 3 raised to 1 half plus 3 raised to x multiplied by 3 raised to negative 1 half. It is equal to 2 raised to 2x multiplied by 2 minus 2 raised to 2x multiplied by 2 raised to negative 1. Now at this point, we will use again another law of exponent. If we have b raised to n multiplied by m, it is equal to b raised to n raised to the power of m. Now this term becomes, look at this, 2 raised to 2x, this becomes 2 raised to 2 raised to x, or simply 4 raised to x. And the rest is just bring down. Now let's focus on this equation on the bottom. What we're going to do is to factor out 3 raised to x and 4 raised to x on both sides. Therefore, it becomes 3 raised to x multiplied by 3 raised to 1 half plus 3 raised to negative 1 half equals to 4 raised to x multiplied by 2 minus 2 raised to negative 1. Next, we need to apply another law of exponent. So if we have b raised to negative n, it is equal to 1 over b raised to n. Therefore, our equation becomes 3 raised to x multiplied by 3 raised to 1 half plus 3 raised to negative 1 half becomes 1 over 3 raised to 1 half, and 2 raised to negative 1 becomes 1 over 2. Next thing to do is to simplify the terms inside the parentheses, and we will use another law of exponent. So if we have b raised to n multiplied by b raised to m, it is equal to b raised to n plus m. Combining this term, so we get the LCD, and the LCD is 3 raised to 1 half. Then we need to multiply 3 raised to 1 half multiplied by 3 raised to 1 half, and it is equal to 3 raised to 1 half plus 1 half, or simply 3 raised to 1. And it is equal to 3. Thus, 3 plus 1 will give us 4, and the denominator becomes 3 raised to 1 half. And on the other side, 2 minus 1 half is simply 3 over 2. To clear the fraction, we need to multiply both sides by 2 times 3 raised to 1 half. If we do that, we will get 3 raised to x multiplied by 8, because 2 times 4 will give us 8, and on the right hand side becomes 4 raised to x multiplied by 3 raised to 3 over 2. How do we get 3 raised to 3 over 2? Because 3 raised to 1 multiplied by 3 raised to 1 half. 1 plus 1 half will give us 3 over 2. Now at this point, we need to focus on this equation. Now, divide both sides by 4 raised to x multiplied by 8, and we will get 3 raised to x over 4 raised to x equals 3 raised to 3 over 2 all over 8. Our goal in this question is to solve for the value of x. Now, take a look at the numerators of both fractions. So we have 3 raised to x and 3 raised to 3 over 2. Now, since they are equal, therefore, their numerator must be equal. So we can set 3 raised to x equals 3 raised to 3 over 2. It directly follows that x equals 3 over 2. Now, let's see if we get the same thing on the denominator. So we set 4 raised to x equals 8. Now, 4 can be written as 2 raised to 2 and 8 can be written as 2 raised to 3. So we have 2 raised to 2x equals 2 raised to 3. Now, since they have the same base, it follows that their exponent must be equal. So we have 2x equals 3. Divide both sides by 2 and we get x equals 3 over 2. Therefore, the value of x is simply 3 over 2. And we're done.